Hello everyone, I am Walt here once again bringing you another one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are with part 39, almost to 40 already, and this one is another interesting principle, and this one is to use your magic machine. And what he says here is like, magic machine? Like, what's that? Okay, it was like a slot machine? Is that like a little magic box? Well, what is this magic machine? And really this is just to tap into whole brain thinking, so this is really what this principle is about. And that we can really tap into that without having to have a crisis or a disaster or a problem or things like that. But most people really start to change their life after the near-death experience, after their home burns down, after they get divorced, all this kind of stuff. They kind of just like waddle along doing like whatever, and then they suddenly decide they're going to change only when this crisis really hits them in the face, and they're like, oh no, now I have to change. But he's saying we don't actually have to wait for that. We can offer ourselves our own internal challenges, our own things from within ourselves that we can use to motivate us, to really make us kick in that whole brain thinking, things we can be desiring, passionate for, working for, and really get ourselves on track to doing that. Now, part of the problem, once again, with motivation is that sometimes people, when they really decide they're going to change, either after a crisis or, with the internal challenges, they think they can do it all at once. And really, once again, I go back to the principle of starting slowly. Let's kind of start slowly at it, and soon enough, we'll be sprinting away and succeeding. So really, you can tap into your own thing just by challenging yourself. You can just make up a challenge. You know what? I want to do this. And I would recommend don't make it too ridiculous. Don't make it like way out there. Don't be like, okay, like I have no money and now I'm going to be a billionaire kind of idea. But do aim for what you want, okay? You can still aim at that kind of thing in the long run, but aim at some things in the short run first that are motivating and are steps along the big kind of power goal there as well. Anyway, that's my own personal take on part 39, but really, tap into whole brain thinking, use it, it can really transform your life. That's about it for part 39. I will see you guys next time with part 40, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.